Okurahiza abasingira karuru omuringara mu isingiro korirwe ahagomborera kandi abantu barebire okutangara bwanyuma yo batorine nkache ya mano wabo Kiza Silva hamwe na speaker Kereni Chomukama kuremwa kushoma orujungu.
Tandika I Rebecca Silva Kiza, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I, Rebecca Silva Kiza, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I shall affirm reka twikirizane bantu obunye kutobuno buke tari kubuheza kungana amanya gushoma mukirize mushomere I, Rebecca Silva Kiza, swear in the name of the Almighty God, affirm I will faithful and be a true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, defend the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. So help me God.
I, Chomukama Kereni, I swear in the name of Almighty God, ceremony, I confirm that I will give you faithful service in the council and support upon the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as all established. So help me God.
Ohireho aba bakansara nabo oruzunguru batarikire otireho na bakansara abakujwekera eminyeto.
I swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
I, Mugisha Benson Katega, so in the name, Mugisha Benson, so in the name of my God, affirm that I will be faithful and by law established to this Republic for Uganda, and this will uphold, protect and defense to this Constitution. So help me God.
In the name of the Almighty God, affirm that we will be faith and upon true allegiance the Republic of Uganda, and that will services protect and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Alex Kokukizire obiri nabarahiza ashabira abantu omuringarama kushomesa abana babo kureba ngo barwanisa obutashoma.
Mureke tushomesa abana. Chairman uzu twine obwashanga obwainhertinga among others drop out. Ishomero nitandikisa 15 mpande hashoma hakaba ni 17 P7. Hati bari abandi igana 3 n'umwe babagiye. Mwahurira abashomere kare ibintu babishorunga gikunka kandi saba hataka buki. Niyo ndware y'indwara nyenda kuba cyo kureberaho abakareba kamasomese ba natural teachers grade 2 teachers hataba nagenda grade 3 teachers atubona kuzongoreji akagenda agwiye we nasemye kuba ine grade science zose.
Abantu batangire kushanga ngo abebembezi babo abaronzire tubakumanya kushoma rujungu. Ndi Ivan Tsime.